Sat Shri Akal. Continuing our discussion on word building, today I shall teach you how to build Punjabi words with O vowel. As you know, in Gurmukhi, O vowel is represented by Hoda vowel sign. So today we will learn the formation of Punjabi words with Hoda vowel sign. Hoda is a tilde-like sign placed above that letter after which O vowel occurs. In the last lecture, we had discussed the formation of Punjabi words with A vowel and Dulama vowel sign. Like the previous lecture, today we will see the formation of Punjabi words with O vowel and Hoda vowel sign along with their pronunciation, meaning and how the words with Hoda vowel sign are written by hand. In addition, we shall also form some simple sentences from the words having Mukta, Kanna, Syari, Byari, Onkad, Dulankad, Lama and Dulama vowel signs. First we will consider the examples of one-letter words having O vowel. These type of words are formed by putting Hoda above the letter which represents the consonant phoneme of that word. Look at the first word of this category, Do. Do is a combination of the and O. Dadda is used to represent the phoneme and Hoda is used to represent O vowel. So, Do is formed by putting Hoda above Dadda. So, Dadde nu Hoda, Do, Do. We can form all one-letter words with O vowel in this way. Other examples are Ro, Rare nu Hoda, Ro, Ro. To, Tadde nu Hoda, To, To. Jo, Jajje nu Hoda, Jo, Jo. Ho, Hahe nu Hoda, Ho, Ho. Now you have done enough practice to form one-letter words with O vowel. Now I will ask you, how will you form the word so? You are right. So is a combination of Sa and O. Sassa is used to represent Sa phoneme and Hoda is used to represent O phoneme. So, Sasse nu Hoda, So, So. Now we will consider some two-letter Punjabi words having O vowel and Hoda vowel sign. In two-letter words, O vowel can come at first position after first consonant or after second consonant. We will take some examples of those words that have O vowel at first position. Now, as we have already discussed in our 15th lecture that if O vowel comes at starting position of word or syllable, then it is represented by open-headed Uda. Let's consider the word oak. Oak is combination of O and K. O is at first position, so it is represented by open-headed Uda and K is represented by Kakka letter. So, open-headed Uda, O, Kakka, K, Oak, Oak. Another example is oat. Open-headed Uda, O, Tanka, T, Oat, Oat. Now we will consider those two-letter Punjabi words that have O vowel after first consonant. These words are formed by placing Hoda above first consonant. The first example is Lok. Lok is a combination of L, O and K. L is represented by Lalla letter. O is represented by placing Hoda above Lalla letter and K is represented by Kakka letter. So, Lalle nu Hoda, Lo, Kakka, K, Lok, Lok. Another similar examples are Kod, Kakke nu Hoda, Ko, Lalle per bindi L, Kod, Kod. Lod, Lalle nu Hoda, Lo, राड़ा ड़, लोड लोड। खोज, खखे नू होड़ा खो, जज्जा ज, खोज खोज। चोण, चचे नू होड़ा चो, नाणा ण, चोण चोण, not चोन। Chon has retroflex n rather than n, so it is chon। सोच, ससे नू होड़ा सो, चचा च, सोच सोच। बोल, बब्बे नू होड़ा बो, लल्ला ल, बोल बोल। Now you have enough practice to form this type of words. Now I ask you a question. How will you form the word rogue? As you can see, rogue is the combination of r, o and g. R is represented by rara letter, o is represented by placing hoda above rara letter, and g is represented by gagga letter. So, rare nu hoda ro, gagga, rogue, rogue. In this way you can form other two letter words that have O vowel after first consonant. Now we will consider those two letter Punjabi words that have O vowel after second consonant. These words are formed by placing hoda above second consonant. Consider the word chalo. Chalo is the combination of ch and lo. Ch is represented by chacha and lo is formed by placing hoda above lalla. So, chalo is formed by placing hoda above second consonant. Chacha ch, lalle nu hoda lo, chalo chalo. Next word is karo. Kakka ka, rare nu hoda ro, karo karo. Now we will consider those two letter Punjabi words that have O vowel after both consonants. These words are formed by placing hoda above both consonants. Consider the word dono. Dono is the combination of do and no. Do is formed by placing hoda above dadda and no is formed by placing hoda above nanna. So, dadde nu hoda do, nanne nu hoda no, dono dono. Next similar example is loko. Lalle nu hoda lo, kakke nu hoda ko, loko loko. Now how will you form the word photo? Photo is combination of pho and to. Pho is formed by placing hoda above phapha and to is formed by placing hoda above tanka. So, phaphe nu hoda pho, tanke nu hoda to, photo photo. Now we will consider those two letter Punjabi words that have one more vowel other than mukta with O vowel. Let's consider the word loha. Loha is combination of lo and ha. So, loha has O vowel with A vowel. Lo is formed by placing hoda above lalla and ha is formed by placing kanna after ha ha. So, lalle nu hoda lo, hahe nu kanna ha, loha loha. Next is moti. Mamme nu hoda mo, tatte nu biari ti, moti moti. Another word is gode. Gagge nu hoda go, dadde nu lawa de, gode gode. Now we will see how these three letter Punjabi words with O vowel is formed. First we will see those words that have O vowel after first consonant. Dost. Dadde nu hoda do, sassa tatta sat, dost dost. Botal. Babbe nu hoda bo, tatta lalla tal, botal botal. water, वावे नु होड़ा वो, टैंका रारा टर, water, water. This is a time of quiz. How will you form the word komal? You can see komal is combination of ko and mal. Ko is formed by placing hoda above kakka and mal is formed by combining mamma and lalla. So, kakke nu hoda ko, mamma lalla mal, komal, komal. Now we will see those 3-letter words that have O vowel after second consonant. These words are formed by placing hoda above second consonant. Crore, kakka ka, rare nu hoda ro, rada road, crore, crore. Alop, aida a, lalle nu hoda lo, papa lop, alop, alop. Now how will you pronounce this word? This word is made up with the combination of sassa, lalla, hoda and kakka. Sassa is sa, lalle nu hoda is lo and kakka is ka. The combination of sa, lo and ka is slok, slok. Now we will consider some words that have O vowel after third consonant, means at the end of the word. Let's look at the examples. Parlo. Parlo is made up with the combination of per and lo. Per is further combination of per and r. Per is represented by papa letter, r is represented by rara letter and lo is formed by placing hoda above lalla letter. So, papa rara par, lalle nu hoda lo, parlo, parlo. Now how will you write parlo? Parlo is made up with the combination of two syllables, par and lo. Par is represented by papa rara, lo is formed by placing hoda above lalla. So, papa rara par, lalle nu hoda lo, parlo, parlo. Now we will consider some words that have O vowel as well as other vowels. Consider the word morcha. Morcha is combination of mor and cha. Mor is written by placing hoda above mamma and rara. Cha is represented by writing kanna after chacha letter. So, mamme nu hoda mo, rara mor, chache nu kanna cha, morcha, morcha. Next is yojna, similar to morcha. Yeye nu hoda yo, jajja yoj, nanne nu kanna na, yojna, yojna. Rasoi is made up with the combination of r, so and e. R is represented by rara, so is represented by placing hoda above sassa letter and e is represented by putting bri after ed letter. So, rara r, sasse nu hoda so, raso, ed nu bri e, rasoi, rasoi. Now we will see how 4-letter Punjabi words with O vowel are formed. Consider the word manorath. As done in the examples of earlier lessons, for 4-letter words, the word will be broken into two parts. The first part is mano and second part is rath. Mano is a combination of ma and no and rath is a combination of ra and tha. Ma is represented by mamma, no is represented by nanna plus hoda, ra is represented by rara letter and tha is represented by thatha letter. So, mamma ma, nanne nu hoda no, mano, rara thatha rath, manorath, manorath. Manohar, mamma ma, nanne nu hoda no, mano, हाहा रारा हर, मनोहर मनोहर। कमज़ोर, कक्का मम्मा कम, जज्जे पैर बिंदी ज, होड़ा जो, रारा जोर, कमज़ोर कमज़ोर। अफसोस, एड़ा, फफे पैर बिंदी फ, अफ, सस्से नू होड़ा सो, सस्सा सोस, अफसोस अफसोस। अणजोड़, एड़ा नाणा अण, जज्जे नू होड़ा जो, राड़ा जोड़, अणजोड़ अणजोड़। Now how will you write गठजोड़? गठजोड़ is combination of gat and jod. Gat is formed by combination of gagga, thatha and jod is formed by jajje nu hoda jo, rada jod. So gagga thatha gat, jajje nu hoda jo, rada jod, गठजोड़ गठजोड़. Now how will you pronounce this word? This word is made up with combination of pappa, rada, chacha, hoda and lalla. Pappa rada is pad, chache nu hoda plus lalla is chol. Together they are pronounced as padchol, padchol. Now we will consider some those 4-letter words that have one more vowel other than a and o vowel. Consider the word somvar. Somvar is a combination of sa, o, ma, va, a and ra. Somvar has a vowel with the o vowel. Sa is represented by sassa. O is represented by placing hoda above sassa. Ma is represented by mamma. Va is represented by vava. A vowel is represented by putting kanna after vava and ra is represented by rara. So, sasse nu hoda so, mamma som, vave nu kanna va, rara var, somvar सोमवार. योगदान, यये नु होड़ा यो, गग्गा योग, दद्दे नु कन्ना दा, नन्ना दान, योगदान योगदान. कारोबार, कक्के नु कन्ना का, रारे नु होड़ा रो, कारो, बब्बे नु कन्ना बा, रारा बार, कारोबार कारोबार. पिछोकड़, पप्पे नू सियारी पी, छछे नू होड़ा छो, पिछो, कक्का डाड़ा कड़, पिछोकड़ पिछोकड़. उद्योग, उड़े नू औंकड़ उ, दद्दा उद, यये नू होड़ा यो, गग्गा योग, उद्योग उद्योग. In this way you can form other 4, 5 or 6 letter Punjabi words. By now you have learnt the formation of Punjabi words having a, I, u, a and o vowels. Now let's look at some sentences formed from the words having these vowels. So how will you pronounce this sentence? 2011 ਵਿੱਚ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਆਬਾਦੀ ਲਗਭਗ 2.8 crore ਸੀ. 2011 means 2011, which means in, Punjab means Punjab, the means of, abadi means population, lagbhag means approximately. Now crore is equivalent to 10 million, so 2.8 crore means 28 million. C means was. So the translation of the sentence 2011 ਵਿੱਚ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਆਬਾਦੀ ਲਗਭਗ 2.8 ਕਰੋੜ ਸੀ is, in 2011 the population of Punjab was approximately 28 million. So the next is मेरा दोस्त रसोई विच भोजन पका रहा है। मेरा मीन्स माय, दोस्त मीन्स फ्रेंड, रसोई मीन्स किचन, which means in, भोजन means food, पका रहा means cooking, है means is. So the translation of the sentence मेरा दोस्त रसोई विच भोजन पका रहा है is my friend is cooking food in the kitchen. 2019 ਵਿੱਚ ਭਾਰਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੋਟਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਕੁੱਲ ਗਿਣਤੀ ਲਗਭਗ 91 ਕਰੋੜ ਸੀ। 2019 means 2019, which means in, Bharat which means in India, Votera means voters, the means of, Kul means total, Ginti means count, Lagbhag means approximately, 91 crore means 910 million, C means was. So the translation of the sentence 2019 ਵਿੱਚ ਭਾਰਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੋਟਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਕੁੱਲ ਗਿਣਤੀ ਲਗਭਗ 91 ਕਰੋੜ ਸੀ is in 2019 the total count of voters in India was approximately 910 million. ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਆਰਥਿਕ ਵਿਕਾਸ ਲਈ ਨਵੇਂ ਉਦਯੋਗ ਲਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ। ਪੰਜਾਬ means ਪੰਜਾਬ, they means of, Arthik means economic, Vikas means development, Lai means for, Nave means new, Udyog means industry, Laun di means to set up, Load means need, Hai means is. The translation of the sentence Punjab ਦੇ ਆਰਥਿਕ ਵਿਕਾਸ ਲਈ ਨਵੇਂ ਉਦਯੋਗ ਲਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ is there is a need to set up new industry for the economic development of Punjab. ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਦਾ ਮਨੋਰਥ ਮਨੁੱਖ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਖਸੀਅਤ ਦਾ ਸਮੁੱਚਾ ਵਿਕਾਸ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸਿੱਖਿਆ means education, ਦਾ means of, ਮਨੋਰਥ means purpose, ਮਨੁੱਖ means person, ਦੀ means of, ਸ਼ਖਸੀਅਤ means personality, ਦਾ means of, ਸਮੁੱਚਾ means overall, ਵਿਕਾਸ means development, ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ means should be. The translation of the sentence ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਦਾ ਮਨੋਰਥ ਮਨੁੱਖ ਦੀ ਸਮੁੱਚੀ ਸ਼ਖਸੀਅਤ ਦਾ ਵਿਕਾਸ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ is the purpose of education should be the overall development of personality of the person. With this, we come to an end of today's lecture. Today you have learnt how to write Punjabi words that have O vowel. Along with this, you also learnt how words having O vowel are used in sentences. Now you can write and read Punjabi words that have O vowel or Hoda vowel sign or that have O vowel with A, A, I, E and U vowels. We shall continue our discussion on word formation with O vowel and its matra or vowel sign Kannada in next lecture. Till then, Sat Sri Akal.